Do you know that you can turn your long YouTube videos into short with just a few clicks? And also link that short to the full video. Yes, you can do it. And that is a powerful way to drive audience from your shorts to your long videos. And we all know that short intends going viral, getting more views than our long videos. And if you link it this way, if you link both of them this way, people watching your short, if they are interested in that video, they can click and automatically it will take them to the full video and they'll watch your video from beginning to the end. So in today's video, that is what I am going to be teaching you: how to remix your long form video into short and how to also link them together. And the best part of it is that it must not be short from that video. You can go ahead to post short normally and also link that short to any full video, any long form video. You can do it. So let's dive into it. So this is my YouTube channel. So I'll go ahead to select the video that I will be using. So let's use this one. We don't promise millions. We just show how it works in life. Sorry about that. Let me reduce the volume. Okay. This is it over here. See where they said remix. You click on remix. Edit into a short, sound, collab, green screen, cut. The first one, you click on the first one, edit into a short. Click on edit into a short. So over here, you watch the video, you can crop, select the interesting part of the shorts. Select the interesting part, it will play. Just give it time. Select the interesting part. After selecting the interesting part, you click on layout. Select layout. Then either you choose single, split, one, or square. I'll click on square. I don't know why my phone is hanging. Okay, this is it. This is it in square form. So you go ahead to click on continue. Allow it to process. I guess I'm just going to cut this part out, and after it's finished processing, I'll join it because of time. So it has finished loading. You go ahead to, if you want to write anything over here, you can write. You just write ew. Guys, can you see the way I spelled sad? Sorry about that. It's not that amazing. Then you can put on link to full video. Okay. Then you drag this one down here. Because this is the side that the link will be. Then you click on continue. So now you have successfully remixed your long form video into short. This is the short. Now it's time to now link it together, because if you don't link it, it will not be linked. So where there is, you go ahead to put all your necessary details, what you want to your capture. Then this related video, you click on related video. Just go and look for the video that you remix. This is the video. You can look for the video that you remix so that people can watch the full video. But if you want to link it to another video, you can go ahead, just select any video you want to link it to. So you can add any video of your choice. But if you want that video that you remix, you go ahead to select it. So I'll click on the video, then upload the shot. Put all your necessary details. I'm going to delete this shot, so I don't want to really put. So you go ahead to upload it. Okay, the shot is uploading. So the shot has finished uploading. This is the shot. Now see where they put created from. You click on this created from, and that is how it automatically goes to your long form video. So you can see how easy it is to remix your long form video into short and also to link them together. If this video was helpful to you, kindly like the video, comment if you have any question, and if you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, what are you still waiting for? Because I teach a lot of things, from how to grow your channel, step by step process to make money, my experience here on YouTube, and lots more. So go ahead to subscribe to the channel, and see you all on my next video. Bye.